News, views, voices of the global Indian community. India abroad.
ये कोतंबीर बड़ी कोतंबड़ी बड़ी अब विल शेयर वन
Don't look at it.
So back in the day, man, we tried a couple of restaurants in the Bay Area, and me, my mom, my sister especially. So we thought the food was Maharashtrian food didn't get enough credit, and it was not that up to the par that my mom was telling that she cooks better in her house on small gases. So my sister and I decided slowly that we should open a restaurant. And March 2020 we opened 17 March 2020 we opened Puran Puri, first day of COVID, and since then God has been kind to us, and we've been.
So you didn't face a problem during COVID?
Ma'am, actually COVID was a blessing in disguise for us, because I think we have a huge outdoor seating. It's like more than like 60 to 70 people sitting, and Newsom government said that outdoor is allowed, and my outdoor used to be packed. Like prime COVID, my outdoor used to be packed.
Did you find it hard to get chefs?
Ma'am, to be honest, we don't have chefs. It's me, my sister, and my mom, so we don't do chefs.
How did you decide on surmai then?
Ma'am, surmai, we've been eating fish all my life. Been eating fish all my life, and there's no such like Maharashtrian fish thing here. So we wanted to open surmai like 3-4 years back, but the licensing of getting fish was a very big problem for us. So during a sudden event, during the Ram Mandir opening, I got a call that everything is approved, and 22nd Jan 2024 we signed the lease. And as I said, right, God is very kind, very kind to me. And we opened, and since then Raj Sahib Thackeray has been here, Sunil Gavaskar, Mahesh Manjrekar sir was here yesterday, Gavaskar sir was also here. So all of them are coming, and it's been very great for me right now, I think.
And I believe when Sunil Gavaskar came, you kept your restaurant open very late?
Yes, ma'am. Gavaskar sir came at 10:30 in the night. And Raju, one of our friends, Raju sir, he said that he wants to eat crabs. And we didn't have crabs. We had to make crabs at night. So we made crabs, and Gavaskar sir was like absolutely delighted. And we got crabs at 10 in the night. We made somebody wake up and get that crab. We went to the restaurant, 99 Ranch. We got crab, and we made it at night 10:30. We had a 2 hours update heads up. So in that time we did that.
And do you find there's a large growth of Maharashtrian population?
Actually, I don't find a large growth, ma'am. Now I've started to discover them. They were always there, but it's like they were all scattered, no? Now there's a place to go. Like when Maharashtrians look on Saturday, Sunday, I think they think about let's go. Like when we were kids, right? Saturday was not off then. Sunday used to be off. So mummy used to make dal, rice, and fish. So I think people on Sunday after lunch, my restaurant is the busiest, because they look forward, like Sunday, back home there was a ritual कि Sunday को मच्छी fish खाना है.
And what is the non-Maharashtrian part of your clientele?
Ma'am, you'll be surprised. I have 30% non-Maharashtrian crowd. 30, or maybe when I include foreigners to my food, right? That be white or Asians. I have a huge age, like 10% Asian people coming to the restaurant. Just Asians by themselves and getting crabs and everything. So maybe we have approximate of 30 to 35 non-Maharashtrian, and that's huge.
And what about the American, white American? Do you think, butter chicken is the only Indian food they know?
Ma'am, they used to know kadai paneer and samosas when Puran Poi, and here I'll tell you in a bit. So they started bharli wangi and misal there. I will be surprised. They start bharli wangi and misal. Here, they go for the special thal. I've seen a lot of Asians, and Asians especially huge fan of mutton. They call it mutton biryani. Sorry, mutton curry. So huge fan of the mutton there, and white people are more. That's why salmon is in the menu, right? There's tawa salmon there, and there's a lot of mango lassis also there. They find it very different. The soul curry is very different, and yeah, I'll be surprised. A lot of white people coming to me. So yeah,
Thank
it's
you.
been a great journey for us.
And one bar. I said, tell her that